LiftMaster Pro half horsepower. The complaint today is that the motor is making a snapping sound and the light is strobing when you plug it in. Ready? Okay. You hear that? All right. Part number 41AC050-1. I think I have one. We're gonna try it and see if that fixes the problem. Make sure you unplug the unit, which I already did. Take the wiring out. You're simply gonna push in on this knob right here. Push in like that. So they get jammed in there. Next, we're gonna take off 3 screws. You got one right here, one right here, and one in here. Pull this board out, being held right in there. 2 adapters. Okay, one right here, and one right here. Pull the first one out, and the second one, same thing. That's it. Alright, so we got our new board. You can see the color on the button is different. Right there. We'll flip the old board over. Get a look at the prongs. On the old board you have right here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then on the smaller one you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try to make sure that that new board has the same setup. Everything looks good. Check the prongs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And on the smaller one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a match. Plug them right into the board and the prongs. And then we're gonna go ahead and put our screws back in now. I have my board harness is plugged in. Put my screws back in, 1, 2, and 3. But I'm gonna plug this in and see what happens. If we still get the snapping sound, let's see. Nope, it's gone. We got our wiring in. Turned up my force settings. I'm gonna test this unit out, see what happens.
Did